Time to get back into the action dito po sa San Juan Arena for the opening day of the Shake East V-League Season 10. We send it over now to Andre Mulla.
Thank you, Noel. You know, at this point, we're still getting to know the newest team here in the Shake East V-League, ang Arellano University. And so far, we're seeing a glimpse of how these girls actually play their game. Ngayon, kanina narinig ko kayo, no, you mentioned a trivia about the players here of Arellano University, particularly Sagon, a former NU Lady Bulldog. But I guess, to those who have been watching volleyball for quite some time now, at talagang sinusubaybayan nila ang volleyball, at paboritong team nila ang FU, kilala rin nila itong isa pang player dito sa lineup ng Arellano University. I'm talking about Dana Henson, who was a former Lady Tamaraw and now a part of the Lady Chiefs lineup. So tama po, hindi po kayo nagkakamali. That is Dana Henson, former Lady Tam. Noel and Mozzie?
Ayan, at huwag nyo nang, tama na yung kakatweet nyo, 2 bars na lang ako. Here's Dana Henson.
Tweet pa kayo.
Pinag-uusapan. Eto ngayon, ang salpukan sa net. And Urdas, just a lot of power right there from Aiko.
That's right, too much for
naalala ko dito kay Aiko, forma, pati yung yung kanyang dating.
Mary Jimbas.
Hindi. Dalia Cruz.
Dalia
diba?
Cruz.
Very similar. Oh. Also one of the original players dito sa Shake East V-League.
Correct. Well, Arellano, only with 1 reception so far, partner, napakababa, which is, I think, yan ang nagiging problema nila.
Well, yung
kanilang reception, only 1 with 3%.
Nako.
3%
mahirap
so far.
Sa ganyan.
At ang NU naman 8 with their 21 attempts, 38%.
There's Henson on the serve. Here's Ruby De Leon. Combination. There's Myla Pablo. Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag na kayo mag-tweet eh.
From the approach alone, alam mo na magiging malakas itong palo ni Myla Pablo.
So 11-5 right now. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shake East V-League, and just like that, Aiko Urdas gives it back. 11-6. Hindi talaga makalagawa ng gusto itong NU. Their biggest lead was at 1.8 points. But they just can't put away the Lady Chiefs kasi dami rin nilang errors. As you saw in the first set, 11 errors against only 5. Nice approach there. Diretsong Ninoy Aquino International Airport yun.
May flight.
Namimiss ng bola yung flight niya eh.
Akala ko sasabihin mo sa baseball stadium.
Oy, masaya doon. Lexil Osorio right now, the team captain.
Ako sa baseball yun, home run yun, kala ko.
Oo. Here is Nene. Off the hands of Jaja.
Well, you know, it's again another veteran move. Napansin mo kanina si Ging Balse, yan din ang ginagawa. Huwag mo na labanan. Oo eh.
That's the only thing you can do against somebody that tall. Sipin mo, 6'4" kalaban mo. Another piece of history there as the service error happens for Osorio. Etong naalala natin yung import dati ng San Sebastian. At least she was one of the tallest players to ever play here. Itong si Lauren Ford.
Yes. Stands at 6'2" ba yun? 6'2" yata siya?
6'2", 6'3". Tapos ito nga si Jaja is at 6'4". Tapos si Utaywan. Tapos ano ba height yung Taiwan? Mga 6'3" din yun, ano?
Yung mga ganun. Tapos talagang heavily built. Ayun ang diferensya doon.
Right. So 13-8. Still in favor of NU. Jaja, Ibiza, Tikar, almost right out of space.
Yep, trying to go for it.
14-8. Naalala ko dito kay Tikar yung nilalaro dati ng isang player natin from Cebu, si Michelle Simbahon. Very similar in kanilang style. And another serve. This time it goes out coming from Jaja. At si Jaja parang ihimatay nung nakita niya lumabas yung kanya serve. She's 6'4". Think about it, ha?
Oo nga. Galing, ano? Ingit na naman ako. Ay, kung ako ganyan, ako lagi sabihin, 6 ano ako.
6 ano?
6'5".
6 ang size ng sapatos.
Oo nga eh.
Balse, Bautista. Here's Ruby dropping it in.
Oh, Henson
Good reflex by Henson. Second ball yun, galing dito kay Dindin. And crossing violation, it appears, will be called against Tikar.
Well, so far, Pablo, 5 attack points and De Leon with 2 setting point. Hindi, attack rin to.
Oo.
Galing kay De Leon. O nga naman pala, ito naman si Ruby.
Si Ruby, all
One of
around naman
yung attacking setter, ganun, di ba?
Oo.
May ganun talaga eh, parang si John Butor Carpio.
That's true.
Yeah, mga
Si
ganyan.
Wendy Ansimana.
Huwag mong ginagalit. Si Serafica.
Isa pa
Diba?
yun.
Si Serafica.
Si Serafica, sneaky naman yung mga tira nun eh. Iyan na! Sabi ni Dindin, ang kumulit nyo ah! 16-9 and you up by 7. Dindin Santiago punctuates it again.